Mental health and mental disorder is a state of mental illness, emotional and psychological instability, a diagnosed condition that affects thoughts. Experts have identified childhood abuse, domestic violence, unemployment, poverty, indebtedness, homeless or poor housing, as well as lack of sleep as what could lead to mental illness. Mental health awareness helps individuals to cope with the stress of life. Findings reveal that at least 60 million Nigerians are suffering from mental health, and out of every 20 million Nigerians, 17 suffers from mental health. Commenting on the significance of the day, some medical practitioners said the day is to create awareness for people to know that mental health disorder can be prevented and is not a death sentence. They called members of the public to stop stigmatization of victims.
Some of the risk factors for development of a mental illness includes some form of abuse in childhood. And abuse is not always physical. There is something called emotional abuse. So when parents are not available for children for whatever reasons, the children are experiencing emotional abuse. Children always have things to talk about. Things happen in school, things happen in the neighborhood. Sometimes they are highly negative things. They happen and they want an adult to talk to. And when adults are not available, nobody to talk to, and such events can go on for some time, and if they are negative, they can impact on the psychological makeup of the child.
Going by the system we are now, the stress, the difficulty in getting things, eating well, sleeping well, they are not inadequate, and we are all prone to mental illness. And the society should look at large that nobody is exempted except the grace of God. And coming back to the youth too, we should please all parents, guardian, whoever is in care, whoever knows that is somebody on his domain, should tell the youth that the power of psychoactive ingredients is very dangerous to health.
Some medical students also gave their views on the topic.
That we should come to terms with the fact that people go through mental illnesses. Not every mental disorder deserves needs hospital treatment. It starts from home, where you can talk to someone, like you said, talk to someone about it first of all.
Parents should not leave their children. They should make sure that they should teach their children proper skills to make sure that they are able to deal with difficult emotions.
The practitioners encourage those suffering from mental health to always remember that the future is bright. They also listed ways government can be of help, to include creation of mental health center in the federal ministry, provisions for supportive frameworks or community service, as well as need to improve in the health insurance system. The theme of this year's World Mental Health Day is "Mental Health is a Universal Mental Right." Praise Irabo, reporting for BTV News.